Preparing a tea party takes a lot of hard work, so don't let it go down the drain. Have you ever invited your friends over and made a complete fool of yourself and spilled all of your tea because hot tea can be so boiling hot? Ouch! Your guests could hurt themselves just trying to drink it. Don't be a safety hazard. And stop wasting your time waiting for your tea to cool when you could be mingling with your friends. Now introducing Cool Ice. It's produced with Cool Ice technology to ensure that your tea won't be watered down. Give everyone just the right amount of tea at the perfect temperature with Cool Ice. The revolutionary Cool Ice is designed to cool your tea in just 6 minutes. Here's how it works. Using Newton's law of cooling, we can see that tea cools at a slow rate. Assuming that the temperature of tea, represented by Ti, is 85 degrees Celsius, and the ambient temperature of the room, represented by Ta, which is 20 degrees Celsius, and without cool ice, it would only cool to 80 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes. This gives us the necessary values to plug it into our formula, where T final as a function of time is equal to temperature ambience plus the quantity of temperature initial minus temperature ambience multiplied by e to the negative kt, where k is the constant and lowercase t is the time. Knowing that it takes 5 minutes to cool to 80 degrees Celsius, this is our final temperature. Temperature ambience is 20 degrees Celsius, while the initial minus temperature ambience is 65 degrees Celsius, and t is 5 minutes, giving us the equation 80 equals 20 plus 65e to the negative 5k. Moving the numbers to one side, you'll get 60 divided by 65 is equal to e to the negative 5k. Then to take out the negative, you take the reciprocal of both sides, and then take the natural log of both sides to cancel out the e, and then k is equal to 0.016. Now using the equation again with our found constant k, we can calculate the time it takes to go from our initial temperature to our ideal final temperature of 45 degrees Celsius to comfortably drink the tea. Again, plugging in the numbers and using the same process as before, we solve for time. To take out the negative, don't forget to use the reciprocal. Then using the natural log of 65 divided by 25 divided by our k value, this gives us a time of 59 minutes, nearly an hour. You can't have your guests waiting around for this long. With Cool Ice technology though, tea cools down from 85 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, giving us our constant K for our new conditions. We used the same process as earlier to solve our question. Let's review though. Knowing that within our conditions the tea would cool from 85 degrees C to 50 degrees C in 5 minutes, we can plug it all into Newton's law of cooling again. We get that K equals 0.155. Now we can use our constant K to solve for our ideal final temperature of 45 degrees Celsius by the same method, plugging in the same conditions of our tea and solving for time, which is equal to the natural log of 65 divided by 25 divided by our new K value of 0.155, we find that it would only take 6 minutes to cool down the tea. So get Cool Ice to always drink tea at the comfortable temperature fast and easy. Just listen to this testimonial.
Ever since I began using Cool Ice in my tea, my life has changed. I'm able to have tea parties with my friends anytime I want and nobody will ever get hurt.
Call now to get not 1 but 2 packets of Cool Ice for only 3 low payments of $19.99. Shipping and handling rates apply. Call 1-800-GET-COOL. That's 1-800-GET-COOL to order your Cool Ice now. Warning: Cool Ice may cause diarrhea, memory loss, foot fungus, manic episodes, and even death.